Before applying the navigation rules, it is important to understand two core terms: stand on and give way. You may hear the phrase right of way in sail racing. That belongs to a separate rule set. For general boating and collision avoidance, the navigation rules use different language. They use stand on vessel and give way vessel. A give way vessel is the vessel required to keep out of the way. Its action should be early, obvious, and substantial enough to keep well clear. A stand-on vessel is the vessel that should initially maintain course and speed. The purpose is not privilege, the purpose is predictability. By maintaining course and speed, the stand-on vessel allows the give-way vessel to assess the situation and maneuver safely. But stand-on does not mean do nothing. If the risk of collision remains, the stand-on vessel must also take action to avoid collision. So the distinction is simple. Give way means keep clear. Stand on means maintain course and speed at first, but never continue into danger. The navigation rules are not about who has the right. They are about preventing collision.